Many of our patients come in not feeling their best, not feeling super confident about what's behind their smile. I promise you, we're all in the same boat. We're all trying to get to the same thing. Dental anxiety is real, but it's also something that shouldn't stop you from seeking treatment. We are always here to meet you with a smile, greet you with open arms, and remember, the hardest part is just showing up. Just get here, we'll take care of the rest. First visits can be a little overwhelming, and the hardest part is actually making an appointment. But once you show up, we've got you from here.
I've seen multiple patients after we've restored their health, their confidence has just skyrocketed. You don't realize how much your smile impacts your everyday life, right? Like you look at yourself in your mirror, if you want to smile, like it makes a big difference. You greet somebody, you want that smile. I've seen so many patients come in embarrassed in their first appointment, they're not smiling. And then after we're able to restore their mouth to a healthy state, I mean, they're beaming, they're so happy, they're so confident. And I think it's such a cool thing that we get to be a part of building their confidence.